how to fix all Windows Update error problems in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first thing first, you might be getting Windows Update error because of corrupted drivers or files on your disk C. So the first suggestion that I have for you is to go to your Windows and type command prompt and run as administrator. And after opening the command, simply type sfc /scan now. And it will check the system files and drivers and your disk C or your system file, and it will help to repair your drive, and you will be able to solve your problem. Now the next option is to go to your system drive or drive C, and from here go to Windows, scroll it down and make sure you delete the files that are here and under software distribution. These are just cached files from the last Windows update. You do not need them, and you might be having problem because of these junk files, so I suggest you deleting everything from here. Now the next option we have is to go to troubleshooter. Simply type troubleshoot and Windows, and you can see troubleshoot settings. Open the troubleshoot settings, click on other troubleshooters, and from here run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. And if you have system related issues in Windows about this particular Windows update, Windows will automatically try to fix it, and you will be able to solve your problem. Now the next option we have is to go to services. Go to Windows again and type services.msc and open services, and here search for Windows Update, and make sure that the startup type is automatic. And also if the services status is start the service and click on OK and restart your computer, and you should be able to solve your problem.